Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the dock's AC adapter and HDMI cable, then wait at least 1 minute to discharge caps. Once done, move to a clear workspace and ground yourself. Static can fry circuits. Use a Phillips #00 to remove visible screws and keep parts organized so reassembly is easy. While opening, inspect for obvious damage like bent pins, burnt components, or loose connectors. This saves time because you're hunting the real fault, not chasing symptoms. You now clean and examine connectors. Blow out dust with compressed air and dab 90% plus isopropyl on a microfiber to remove grime. Dirty contacts cause intermittent video. Once clean, inspect the USB-C daughter board and HDMI port for cracked solder, lifted pads, or bent pins under a magnifier. Make temporary connections to verify if power and video return. This isolates whether the problem is the dock shell or a replaceable board. If you see damaged sockets, you finish by repairing and reassembling. If you reflow joints or swap the USB-C board, let components cool, then reattach ribbon cables and secure screws snugly. Once reassembled, plug in power and HDMI and test with your switch and TV to confirm video and charging. Make sure brightness and resolution are normal. If issues persist, swap cables and TV to rule those out. Then consider replacing the daughter board or seeking professional repair. This is the key troubleshooting step that saves time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.